Hi, in this video I will show you how to open secret conversation in the messenger. So if you want to make a conversation with someone and you also want to delete it after the conversation end, so you have to create a secret conversation on the Facebook. This is the good feature by the Facebook or the messenger. So first of all, open your messenger mobile application. Once you will open it, now you have to select any friend with whom you want to create a secret conversation. I select one of my friend, and after that you have to click on the I button on the right top. Once you will click on it, you will see a secret. Go to the secret conversation, tap on it. Now your conversation is secret with your friend. So if you want to make a secret conversation in the messenger, you simply follow this step. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.